Here's something that might surprise you. This tiny seed can help calm your stomach, keep you full longer, and give you steady energy all day. But here's the catch. Most people over 50 are doing it completely wrong. I'm going to share exactly what happens to your body when you eat chia seeds every day after 50. We'll talk about the real benefits, the mistakes that block your results, and I'll give you 3 super easy recipes you can make in under a minute. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much to eat, when to eat it, and how to avoid the uncomfortable side effects that send most people running back to their old habits. We're going to cover 3 big things today. First, the 3 mistakes that ruin your results, then the amazing science of how chia actually helps your body, and finally, your simple step-by-step plan with those quick recipes I promised. Let's start with those mistakes because I bet you're making at least one of them right now. Here are the 3 big mistakes that block your results. Mistake number 1, going too big too fast. Picture this. You're excited about chia seeds, so you dump a huge spoonful into your morning smoothie. Within a few hours, your stomach feels bloated and gassy. Sound familiar? Here's what's happening. Your gut bacteria aren't used to all that fiber yet. It's like inviting 100 people to a party when your house only fits 20. Your digestive system needs time to adjust. Mistake number 2, forgetting about water. This is huge. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. If you eat them dry or don't drink enough water, they can actually make you feel worse instead of better. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to swallow a dry sponge versus a wet one. The dry sponge would stick and feel uncomfortable, right? Same thing happens with chia seeds in your stomach. Mistake number 3, turning healthy seeds into dessert. This is a super common mistake. People make chia pudding loaded with honey, chocolate chips, and sugary toppings. Before you know it, your healthy snack has more calories than a slice of cake. The real benefits of chia get buried under all that sugar, and you might even gain weight instead of feeling better. Have you made any of these mistakes? Don't worry if you have, we'll fix them shortly. But first, let me show you why chia seeds are so special in the first place. Here's the simple science of how chia actually helps your body. First up, the magic gel effect. When chia seeds touch water, something amazing happens. They form this soft, jelly-like coating. Here's why that matters for people over 50. First, it helps your digestion. Think of that gel like a gentle broom that sweeps through your intestines, helping everything move along smoothly. Many people with constipation or IBS find this really helpful. Next, we have blood sugar control. Here's where it gets really interesting. That same gel slows down how fast your body absorbs sugar from your meals. Imagine your blood sugar is like a car. Without chia, it might speed up and crash down quickly, leaving you tired and hungry. With chia, it's like having cruise control, steady energy that lasts longer. Then, the bonus nutrients. Chia seeds are packed with good stuff your body needs more of after 50. Omega-3 fats. These help fight inflammation and support your heart and brain. Calcium, more than milk. Yes, more than milk, which is great for keeping your bones strong. Magnesium helps with sleep, muscle cramps, and stress. Protein helps maintain your muscle mass as you age. Recent research shows chia seeds also feed the good bacteria in your gut, which supports your immune system and overall health. Now let me give you the exact plan that actually works. Here's your simple chia success plan. Step 1, start small and build up. Week 1, start with just 1 teaspoon per day. Yes, that's small. See how your body feels. Week 2, if all goes well, bump up to 1 tablespoon per day. Week 3 and beyond, work up to 2 tablespoons total per day. You can split this, maybe 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 in the evening. If you have a sensitive stomach, take even longer. There's no rush. Step 2, the soaking secret. Here's the magic formula. 1 part chia seeds to 6 to 8 parts liquid. Mix them up, wait 15 minutes, then stir again to break up any clumps. For the best texture, let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. Pro tip. If you want it smoother, you can buy pre-ground chia seeds or grind them yourself. Just store ground chia in the fridge. Step 3, pick your perfect time. Morning chia is great if you want to feel full and avoid mid-morning snacking. Evening chia can be gentler on your stomach and help with overnight digestion. With meals help slow down sugar absorption, and honestly, the best time is whenever you'll actually remember to do it. Now for the good stuff. Here are 3 super easy recipes under 60 seconds each. Recipe 1. Overnight Oats Chia Power Bowl. Half cup rolled oats. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Start here, work up to 2. Half cup Greek yogurt. Half cup milk of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. Half teaspoon vanilla. Half cup berries. Just stir everything together, cover, and put it in the fridge overnight. That's it. Recipe 2. Basic chia pudding. 3/4 cup milk of your choice. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Half teaspoon vanilla. Optional 1 teaspoon cocoa powder or a tiny bit of honey. Stir, wait 10 minutes, stir again, then chill for at least 2 hours. Too thick? Add more milk. Too thin? Add more chia. Recipe 3. Sneaky add-ins. In scrambled eggs, add 1 teaspoon per 2 eggs for extra creaminess. Quick jam. Heat 1 cup berries with a little sweetener, mash them up, stir in 1 tablespoon chia, and let it cool. Smoothies. Add 1 tablespoon to any smoothie, but drink it quickly before it gets too thick. Now let's customize for your goals. If you want to lose weight, keep your chia recipes simple. Use berries, cinnamon, and vanilla for flavor instead of sugar. The fiber will help you feel full naturally. If you want to maintain your weight, add healthy fats like a tablespoon of almond butter or a drizzle of olive oil in savory dishes. Don't skip regular meals just because chia keeps you full. If you have a sensitive stomach, start with just 1/2 teaspoon and use yogurt or kefir as your liquid. These have probiotics that can help your digestion adjust. Let's quickly chat about setting realistic expectations. Let's be honest here, chia seeds aren't magic. You won't lose 20 pounds in a week or cure every health problem. What you might notice in the first week or two? Less constipation. Feeling full longer after meals. More steady energy, no afternoon crashes. Less bloating once your body adjusts. Some people report seeing changes quickly, others need a month or more. Everyone's different. Okay, now for some important safety notes. If you take medications that need to be absorbed on an empty stomach, take them at least 2 hours away from your chia. If you've had kidney stones or your doctor told you to watch oxalates, keep your portions moderate and drink plenty of water. If you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor first. Here's some quick frequently asked questions. Question: do I have to soak them? Answer: not required, but it usually feels better in your stomach and prevents clumping. Question: black or white chia, does it matter? Answer: nope. They're almost identical nutritionally. Pick whichever you prefer. Question: can I take too much? Answer: yes. More than 2 to 3 tablespoons per day might cause digestive upset. Start small. Question: will chia seeds make me gain weight? Answer: only if you're adding lots of high-calorie toppings or eating huge portions. Keep it simple. Here's your challenge for this week. Try the 7-day chia start. Pick 1 recipe from today's video and have it once a day for a week. Start with just 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Pay attention to how you feel. Are you less hungry between meals? Is your digestion better? Do you have more steady energy? After a week, come back and let me know in the comments. Are you team morning chia or team evening chia? And share your favorite way to eat them so others can try it too. If this helped you understand chia seeds better, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I make videos specifically for people over 50 who want to feel their best with simple science-backed tips. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video.